It's that easy. Peace out.
What speed are you using?
Hey, Harry.
Black plastic.
Harry, you gotta come back and see what they're doing.
What do you mean?
They're throwing nice practice and trying to win your caddy.
What?
Yeah.
Stop it!
I'm not kidding you. Come on.
I'm
serious.
Here we go. For the caddy.
Wait. Go.
Come on, baby.
Hey, come on!
Hey! What are you guys doing?
Get me wrong with guys. Stop. Come on, they're
going
getting
on?
dusty and dirty. Phil, really?
Speaking of breaking rules there.
Yeah,
rule
Harry.
breaker.
What'd you bring, your minion?
This is potty.
Yeah.
You can't serve beer without a liquor license.
Yeah. Well, it's open coolers.
Okay.
We don't have a business license, so we can't do that. You're right. Okay, what
You
else?
can't do that. You can't serve food without a permit.
Yeah.
No live band permits.
Yeah.
And you can't do donuts. How you gonna do
It's not open.
donuts?
You gotta do donuts.
Right?
You gotta
Okay,
do
I gotta. This place sucks. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start at the Roadhouse so you guys get a glimpse of what that place is gonna look like. 4 o'clock at the studio Hotrods Roadhouse building, the new building. Go there for registration. We'll have some people there checking you in. You can check it out. Anyways, we'll put a number on your windshield. They'll give you instructions from there. You'll bolt up to our staging facility, which is 4909 West Route 12, which is in Richmond. Gotta take a ride, take a little bit of run. Anyways, they'll start the donut competition there. You guys are gonna come back over here to the main facility where we got food, so if you're hungry, we don't have alcohol. You gotta bring your own alcohol. If you wanna have a beer, it's kind of open cooler night. And we got a good band, so we got that figured out. Yeah. That didn't take me long, did it? Hope this one works. Stay tuned.